thank you so much for taking this opportunity to join me as we dive into Awaken, my 30-day program introducing you to MedYoga. Now, MedYoga is my baby. MedYoga is a deeply therapeutic breathwork and bodywork practice I've designed over 20 years to support the current mental health crisis on the planet, to also support highly sensitives, empaths and light workers as we all transition into the new world. So to support the awakening and the ascension journey we're all collectively moving through, which can be really uncomfortable on the physical, mental, emotional and spiritual bodies as we upgrade. So you can be a complete beginner, and you will find this 30-day program really supports you to build inner resilience, stability to face the chaos, to face the storms, and to really develop presence power, confidence, connect to source, align the divine masculine, the divine feminine, and most importantly, to learn to master your energy, your thoughts, and your emotions. So you don't really need anything for this practice. You can just wear some loose, comfortable clothing. You don't even need a yoga mat. If you do want to really indulge in the 30-day program, you might want to get some blocks and props. So you might want to go grab yourself an eco-friendly yoga mat, some padding I like to use for my lower back, the neck area, and again, you can just make this. It's so easy to use, or get yourself just an old towel, a soft towel. We also occasionally use some of the other props, such as a brick, a block to sit on, especially if you have lower back problems. I recommend 1 or 2 of the blocks. Bolsters. If you don't have a bolster, you can just roll up a blanket and use that. It will have a great effect as well. Okay, you will also be introduced to essential oils, because MedYoga is a deeply therapeutic, restorative, rejuvenating practice. And essential oils are part of the plant's natural immune system. So I'll introduce you to a natural essential oil every single video. And if you wish to purchase any of the essential oils, I'll provide a link for you. You can have a free 30-minute consultation with one of my colleagues. So I will send you a 30-minute video every single day, and you can follow through from day 1 to 30. You can jump if you want to, entirely up to you. Listen to your own body, honor and respect your body's needs, take full responsibility for your health and well-being. You may want to perhaps detox, cleanse, or check out my superfood green juice, which will really help support the detoxification of the body and provide you with some nutrients and vitamins to really enhance your vitality and energy levels as well. The practice can be done morning, afternoon or evening. Always drink plenty of water, and most importantly, enjoy the practice. Let your friends know you're doing the practice, share with colleagues, people around you, let everybody know you are doing this, and stay connected with me. Leave me your comments. I would love to hear from you. This is my first online challenge, so I am keen to know your thoughts and your feelings so I can best prepare for our next 30-day challenge together. Some of the videos have music, some don't. So again, let me know what you prefer. Have a fabulous time on this journey, and please do share any insights you receive, any transformation, and if you have any specific questions. At the end of the program, I will do a live Q&A and invite you all together. Check out the Facebook group, make sure you've joined in so again you can share and join the conversation. I look forward to seeing you for day 1. Take care.